Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. So if you want to open up multiple Snapchat accounts, it's quite easy. All you need to do is create a dual app or a clone app on your phone. As you can see, I have two Snapchats on my phone. This is the original app and this is the clone app. You can also create your clone app by heading over to the settings of your device. Now depending upon your device, yours could call it dual app or clone apps. Search for any of those options and you should be able to see an option in that name. Now here it shows you all the apps that you can create a dual or a clone app on. As you can see, I've turned on the Snapchat option. That's why I have two Snapchats. Now I can easily log in different accounts on these different apps. So yeah, that's how you can have multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this on a regular basis. So to never miss videos such like this, make sure you turn on the notifications, and that will be all for today's video, and I'll be back soon with more.